Hello, John Bunn here, and welcome back to yet another video by me. Fourth video that I've produced now under this new channel. Guys, thank you so much for sharing my videos, watching them. Dozens of you have been watching so far, and I'm really excited about that. This video is about 1 month after I've released my first video, and I wanted to do this video today just talking about my first month on YouTube with this new channel. One of the things I want to do with this channel is inspire you if you're interested in growing a YouTube channel and show you some of the behind the scenes analytics. I have built a couple of other channels. My main video channel has 12 or 13,000 subscribers and has paid me thousands and thousands of dollars just on YouTube. Our How to Film Weddings podcast channel just passed 5,000 subscribers. So I've learned a thing or two of how to grow a channel, and I just want to show you and really just have it for myself to document the journey of growing a channel. So one video a month, something every few months, I'm just going to look back at the analytics of my YouTube channel so I can see how much I've grown. But first, what I want to talk about in this video, and for those of you out there that are thinking about starting either a YouTube channel or a blog or a business or really anything, you know, there are a lot of things that will stop you from doing it. And I really sit on the idea for this channel for a couple of years, and I kept saying, I'm gonna get to it, I'm gonna get to it, I'm gonna get to it. And I was doing a coaching session with a friend, and he was like, you've got to set a hard deadline on when you're gonna start. And he asked me, are you gonna commit to start on that date? And just that little bit of commitment got me going at the beginning of August. And so now we're in the beginning of September in 2020. I'm a month in, and I've already been able to produce some videos. I've already been able to build a little bit of a following, and it's starting to grow. And so I just want to encourage you, if you're about to start something or thinking of starting something, set a deadline, put it on the calendar, and get going. It's not going to be perfect when you first start. Nobody is perfect when they first start, but a lot of people are so paralyzed by the analyzing, the paralysis of analysis, that they never even start what they want to do. They have a passion in their heart. They've been really wanting to build a business, or they've really wanted to start a YouTube channel, and they never start it. When I started, I knew that it wasn't going to be perfect, and you shouldn't expect your video channel, your business to be perfect either. But if you never start, you're never going to get going, you're never going to grow, and you're never going to see success. So if you want something to change, you have to break that cycle. You have to start, you have to go. I know so many people that should be doing a YouTube channel, or should be doing a podcast, or should be creating content, but there's so many influencers out there. There's so many people creating content out there. There's so many businesses out there. There's all these excuses of things, and then they never get started, and they keep doing the same thing again and again, and they wonder why they're frustrated in their life, and it's because they haven't done anything extra to get out of the position that they're in. And so are you going to be a person that sits there and waits forever to start that thing or to grow that thing? Or are you going to set a deadline and get going? So in the comments, just post below if you have something you want to start. I would love to know what it is. If it's something, if you want me to help you to stay accountable, I would love to do that. So even if you don't need accountability, I would love to hear in the comments below what you've started, what you want to start, what's your business, do you want to grow a YouTube channel, any of that kind of stuff, let me know in the comments below. And then while I'm talking about it, if you find my content at all helpful, please subscribe to this channel, like the video, set all the notifications, all the things, because I really want to keep producing this stuff for you, and I'm so excited to grow my channel and show you that growth and show you the growth of my businesses. So now I want to do an analytics breakdown for you, and I want to show you what it is that I've been up to on YouTube, kind of my plans with this channel, how I expect to make money with this channel. And I honestly, I think a lot of people are too embarrassed to show analytics before they've made it and they're successful, but I honestly want to look back at this video in a year and be like, wow, I only had this many views, I only had this many subscribers, and things like that. So let's jump into the analytics from my first month on YouTube. Okay, so we are in the channel dashboard under YouTube Studio for my channel. As it sits today, I have 464 subscribers. Thank you so much. That's gone up a ton in the first month. And I'm going to jump in over here to my analytics tab. Now, this is kind of like your behind the scenes studio of what's been going on with your channel. And again, I have only produced a few videos so far, but it gives me a lot of data. And so the first thing I want to look at is I'm going to switch this over, not to my last 28 days, but to August. So in August, I had 1,300 views, I had 65.1 watch hours, and I gained 146 new followers, and so, or new subscribers. And so I can kind of scroll over data and see whenever I first released my very first video, August 7th, 277 people watched it, 100 went down, and then I released another video on the 11th, down. I released another video, and so that's kind of showing you the first month of what I did. So I had 1,300 views, 65.1 watch hours, and then subscribers. The biggest day I had was the first day I announced it. 56 of you joined, and every day since then, 1, 2, 2, 1, 1, 0, 3, 4, 8 on a video launch day, down to 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, -1, 0, 0. And so like that last week, I actually only gained a couple of subscribers, but overall, 146 new subscribers. I'm up to 464 as of recording this. And in the last 48 hours, I've had 21 people watch my videos. Now, that is not a ton, and that's okay. And so many people get going on a YouTube channel or a podcast or a thing, and here's the problem is that you grow weary too soon. You don't count the cost of the journey, the trip. You're on a road trip, but you don't get enough gas money to make it to where you need to go. Or so a lot of people I see will start something. They're starting a weight loss journey. They're starting a podcast, and they're posting and they're excited for a day or a week or even a few weeks, but they don't have longevity because they aren't diligent over time. And that's the thing, whether you're starting a YouTube channel or whether you're starting a new business or whether you're just wanting to get fit or whatever that is in your life, if you're not consistent, you're never going to succeed. And so this for me, I look back at August, I was able to put out 3 videos, and my goal is 1 video a week. I had some personal things come up that I'll talk to you guys about later, but I was able to have 3 videos in the month of August instead of 4, and it's so super important to have a consistent 1 video every single week, 2 videos, whatever, a consistent schedule. And so YouTube looks at that a lot, and people look at that a lot. If I stopped making these videos, you'd kind of be like, oh yeah, John made 3 or 4 videos. I forgot that he was doing that. But by seeing me consistently, by seeing me post this on Facebook consistently, that is what's going to help YouTube and help my business to grow. And so I know that some of you guys are wanting to start something. And if you do, you might not make it perfect in your first month, but you know what? You got going. You might start a weight loss journey, but have had a bad week of eating, but the point isn't to be perfect. The point is to be consistent and to continue without quitting. And so I wanted to look at a couple other things with you guys. So my videos right now, my most popular video in that time frame was this $400,000 in debt video, 550 views, 495 and 250. So I had 3 videos that went out, and that is how many views, 1,300. Now, what I want to do with this channel is I do plan on making money with this channel, not by necessarily selling you anything, but YouTube lets you monetize if you have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time on your videos. And so it sounds like a lot more than it is, but if you look over here, 463 subscribers out of 1,000, and I'm already to 100 of 4,000 hours watched. And what's cool about this is once somebody finds your channel, they go and hopefully watch more and more of your videos. So the more videos you have, the more time gets watched. So this number really grows really quickly. And so before I get off of this video today, I wanted to show you my Redeemed Productions 14,000 followers, just so you can kind of see if you're interested in YouTube. I love talking about YouTube, so I just wanted to show you the analytics of my YouTube channel for Redeemed Productions. I'm at 14,255 subscribers, and in my analytics, I can show you here, for the last month, which was August, this channel made me $330.31. I added 188 subscribers, and I had 212,000 views. So I can really look here and see that like every day I'm getting 4,000 to 10,000 views. I can see all these videos that have a ton of views on them, and it starts making me a lot of money. And so if I look at the last year on this, I made $4,347 just off of my YouTube channel for Redeemed Productions. And I haven't put out really any content except for my wedding films. And this is about as much as I charge for a wedding film. So I was able in the last year to make $4,400 just by uploading my content to YouTube. So there's a lot of stuff there. There's a lot to break down. If you want more YouTube growth, let me know in the comments if you want to, me to break down what I'm doing with YouTube. But in my current channel, with this John Bunn channel, I want to talk about the businesses that I'm running, and part of that is YouTube. I'm making a good amount of money from the other channels that I'm doing. It's a consistent $300 to $500 a month of just extra money from YouTube, but I'm limited with those channels on growing them in certain ways, and I can see a channel about finance and about growing your YouTube channel as a great way to show up to a huge audience. And so you subscribing to this video and liking it or sharing it or commenting tells YouTube that it's a video that they really want to show off. And so the more subscribers I get, I'll get monetized sooner or later, and I can't wait to make that video. But getting monetized and slowly growing that, and then creating more videos that could go viral, that could really get a lot of views on them. That is my goal with this channel, is to create something that impacts a bigger number of people. And the more people that you can impact, the more money that you can make. And so I'm not here to sell you anything like that. All I'm asking is that if you like this stuff, you like this content, to like it and comment or share it with somebody who needs it. And so in recapping this video, I just wanted to show my very first month on YouTube. I had 3 videos. I had 464 subscribers as the time I'm recording this. And it's a slow grind. Those numbers, I can't wait to show numbers where I have 400 or 500 new subscribers in a month. But it just takes time, and I'm here for that, and I'm committed to being consistent. And so I'm going to be showing you more of the behind the scenes of this as it's growing. I'm also going to be showing you more behind the scenes of the current businesses I own. So if this is something that somebody would like, do me a favor. I know I said it a bunch of times in this video, but share it with somebody that you really think would benefit from it. So anyway, here's to month number 2 doing these videos. Thank you guys again for checking out this channel, and I'll see you guys in the next video.